If you want to trade binary options in a profitable way, that also without any indicator, then this video is for you. See, I'm not going to say like you can become 100% profitable with this strategy, because no any strategy can give you that kind of win rate. Okay, so it is always a best practice that you need to do. No matter whichever strategy you learn, firstly test that strategy in your demo account, and at that exact time when that strategy is working in your demo account, immediately switch to real account and start to trade with that strategy to get maximum amount of your trade right. So this is one of the important things that most traders don't do, and they lose money. And if you want some free binary signals to trade binary options in a profitable way, then you can join our free Telegram channel. And if you want to copy our trade on an automatic way by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then you can join our VIP copy trading channel. To join our VIP copy trading channel, all the instructions is given inside that free Telegram channel. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to put all of this currency pair at here. That is giving you 92% payout. Simply make it yellow and it will appear at here in this way. Okay. Once you do this much, another thing you need to do is you need to make all of these candles of 1 minute time frame, and then your trading time frame should also be of M1. But if it is flag at here, then make it clock and then only select M1, so that your trading time frame is exactly going to be of 1 minute. Now it's time for you to decide the amount that you want to invest. You can invest any amount that you want, but for this case scenario, I'll be investing $200 per trade. So now the strategy is extremely simple. Firstly, I'll explain you the strategy, and then I will show you by exactly making some trades. So let me find some currency pair to show you as an example. So here is one best example. As you can see here, market have started to fall from here, and one retracement have happened at here. A green candle have appeared right after this green candle. If you had made a trade by clicking on lower, then you could have gone right in this trade. Similarly, one retracement happened at here by making a green candle. At another candle, if you had made trade by clicking on lower, you could go right. Similarly, here you can see another retracement had happened, and if you had made trade here by clicking on lower, then you could go right. This strategy is as simple as this. Now again, not all of your trades are going to go right, but maximum of your trades are going to go right, because you will be making trades on the trend. You need to find a trending market. Okay, this is also a trending market, this is also a trending market, so you need to find out this kind of retracement, and if you feel confident at that exact point, then you can make trades. So now I'll make few trades and show you how this thing works. So let's get started. And most importantly, I am not going to talk, I am only going to show you. So watch the video very carefully, and don't forget to like this video